Welcome to Verbally. Today's lesson is about phrasal_verb_ lesson. Connect clearly. 5 phrasal verbs for communication. Master 5 essential English phrasal verbs like call back and hang up to confidently discuss calls and messages. Call back. Use call back when you want to return a phone call to someone who tried to reach you. It means to phone them again later. I missed your call, I'll call you back in 10 minutes. Hang up. To hang up means to end a phone call. You can use it when you finish a conversation or if someone ends it abruptly. Don't hang up on me, I haven't finished explaining. Get through. Use get through when you successfully connect with someone by phone, especially after trying multiple times. It implies overcoming difficulty. I tried calling all morning, but I couldn't get through to customer service. Speak up. To speak up means to talk louder or more clearly so that others can hear you better. It's often used in noisy environments. It's noisy in here, could you please speak up a little? Text back. Text back specifically means to send a reply via text message. It's a common way to talk about digital communication. She hasn't texted me back yet about our plans for tonight. These phrasal verbs help you accurately describe the start, end, and flow of phone and text conversations. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on school.dxt.ma.